and today we will be showing you how to make a Valentine's craft for the preschoolers. The first step is to use a glue stick and attach this doily into the middle of the plate.
Then, using stickers, you can place them anywhere around the frame that you would like.
Parents or guardians, if you would like, you can print out a picture and cut it out and put it in the center of your doily.
And then, you just choose a love message to put right above your picture or on your favorite spot in the frame.
Ta-da! You have just made a framed message for someone you love on Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching.